Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy DDZ, and we're back with another YouTube video, boys. Today I'm actually playing something new for you guys that has never done or played in my channel before. We are playing some Valorant, and I just hope you guys enjoyed this video, man. Flat out, I took some effort into this video. I played this game 1:30 in the morning, man. It was pretty stressful, and I just finished actually before I played and recorded. I was playing some 2K, and I was using my Xbox controller, but I just switched up, didn't even practice, and play a mouse and keyboard, man. For this video, I played some Brimmy, and yeah, I did pretty good. It was pretty shabby the first couple rounds, but I did pretty good in general, man. So make sure you guys watch to the end. And I hope you guys enjoy the video, man. If you guys do enjoy, though, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, comment down below if you guys like these Valorant type of contents or what game I should play. But yeah, I'll definitely reach out there and find some other like interesting games to play on YouTube. Yeah, but for now, enjoy the Valorant game, boys. Peace out. All right, let's get this started. Playing a little Valorant, a little Valley with my baby Brimmy. Should be fun, Alright. Let's go.
Smoke's down.
Stim
beacon here.
Turret out.
Side is fun.
Man, we good.
Out of charges. Last player standing.
Oh hell no. Oh man, this does not look good. I'm like 3 wins away from gold. Come on, man. Come on. I need 3 good games, actually.
Flawless.
Oh, man. That does not look good. They look good, man. These dudes look
Remember your weapon.
good. Alright. We got this, man.
Reloading.
Jet, gotta... Man, if I guys, if I sound really tired, it's because it's really late, man. It's 1:30 in the morning. Almost getting 2. It's late. Trying to grind here.
Launching smoke.
Enemy
Stim beacon down.
Come on.
placing sentry.
Smoke's down.
Here. Reloading.
Okay, dokes.
Reloading. Reloading. Someone.
Damn it.
Last player
Man,
standing.
105 is crazy. Alright, let me turn up. Turn up for their boys. Let me turn up with y'all boys here. Let's go. Man. I got a gun now. Let's go. Let me turn up. Come on, man. I gotta turn up here. I was just playing 2K, so just got on. Hold up. Alright, let me. Comms, boys, comms.
There.
This guy's mid.
Launching smoke.
Bro, there's no way they're dying already.
Launching smoke.
Enemy spotted A.
God. Dude, how horrible can I be? Is he pushing?
Now we're
Dude, I think I just hit my shots a little bit better.
One enemy
Sir.
remaining. My ult ready.
Oh my god, that was hot. That was so hot. Let's go, Reyna. Damn it. Damn it, damn it. I'm gonna need this W, boys. I'm gonna need this W. This Reyna's have to carry. Reyna's gotta carry.
Thanks. Smoke's down. Caution here.
Ow.
Still inside.
Molly.
Spike down mid.
84 Phoenix. Damn it.
Joke's over.
God.
You're dead.
Got it mid. One down.
One enemy remaining.
Okay.
Last player standing. Spike down mid.
168 on that.
Sir! Let's go,
Shit.
boys.
I'm trying to guy quiet. Right, man.
Drink some water, reload your mags, and let's get back out there.
I hit that. I feel like I got that. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, you got that shit, bro. You got that shit.
I won't.
Let's go. Let's go, boys.
Placing alarm bot.
Alright, boys. I know I'm not playing the greatest 1-4, but after this game, I'll show you guys my match history, man. I'm not like this.
Stay sharp.
I'm camera shy. Trust.
Smoke's down.
Trust.
Gotcha.
Holy shit, that was so ass.
My ult's ready. Turret out.
That was ass. Don't talk about that. Oh, somebody's here.
Spike down B.
Someone's in defender spawn.
Launching smoke.
One enemy remaining.
Oh man, I gotta turn up, man. I gotta turn up. Hot
Who am I
garbage,
kidding?
dog.
My knees are gonna
I almost
kill
died
after
to the
this.
pistol, dude. Hold up. Ooh. Let's go, let's go. I got Spike? Hell no. I'm taking that.
Safety's off.
Okay, let's see here. Do one. Do.
Launching smoke.
Good, good.
Smoke's down.
Multiple enemies A.
I'm actually sad. I'm actually cringe. I'm actually the cringiest motherfucker like ever lived in this place. Oh my god.
Spike planted.
Oh my god.
Toxin screen down.
Oh my god. Come on, win for me, boys. Win for me. Oh my god. Win for me, boys.
Turret
Yes,
out.
sir. We good. We good over here. We good.
Placing swarm grenade.
Oh man. Oh man. Oh yeah.
Viper, what the fuck is wrong with you? You're insane. You're just hiding that? You're just hiding that this whole time?
Ew. Ew.
They look you fucking disgusting.
Ew. Let's go though. Let's go.
I'll get that.
Good. Yes, sir.
Holy
Go,
smoke!
go, boys.
Dim beacon down.
We out this hoe. Full push. Take this side. Hell no.
I've got you.
Hell no.
Trained you.
God damn it. God damn it. God damn it. God damn it.
One enemy remaining.
Yes, sir. Oh, he coming this way. Heard this bitch ass. Yep. Yep, he probably right over here. Probably right there. Be right here. Where's bitch ass at? Did he dip? Where'd he go?
Okay.
Oh my
Time
gosh.
for a protein shake.
It's about to say. Okay, I'm getting there, boys. I'm getting there. My feelings, my keyboard and mouse feelings are coming back.
Reloading.
Let's go. Controller 2K is crazy though. I went crazy. Let's go. It's coming back. It's coming back.
Placing alarm bot.
Let's go.
Keep it up.
Dim beacon here. Fully smoked.
Reloading. Enemy spotted A. Reloading. Blocking sight.
Dude, of course I'm the first. I'm the first one that they see out of. I'm actually gonna took out. This is too. It's too late for this shit. It's too late for this shit.
Placing swarm grenade. Placing
Heaven?
sentry.
I'm gonna need my placements though. I'm gonna need my placements. Oh man! Also, all these tryhards come out at midnight. It's crazy. This is so crazy.
Phoenix Tree.
Come on, but our teammates are more crazier though. Our teammates more crazier. I believe this.
Okay.
I believe in this. I believe in this team. I believe in this team. Yes, sir. Jessica.
One
Jessica.
enemy
Yes,
remaining.
sir. Jessica. Yes, sir. M. Chim. Yes, sir. Let's go. M. Chim. Let's
I'll
go.
teach them to respect their elders.
Dang, so this is how role playing feels like. Let's go, boys. All right. We in this hoe. We in this hoe. 6-2, baby. Let's go.
Smoke's down. Molly.
Man. Shoot back. We back.
I can ult if not today.
Taken down.
Initiated. See ya.
you go.
Caught one.
One enemy remaining.
That's 3. My ult's ready.
Spike down.
The hunt begins.
Pra pra pra.
Where are we going this time?
Pra pra pra. Pra. I'm feeling it, boys. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling myself way too much now. I'm feeling it, boys. But I already know I'm gonna overfeel it. But we good though. I'm feeling it right now. It's the moment. It's the moment. I'm about to go crazy right here, boys. I'm gonna go crazy.
You know what to do.
I'm about to go crazy, stupid.
Fully smoked.
Going crazy now. Holy shit. Oh damn.
Out of here. Open up the sky.
Oh my god, there's no way. This guy. That's crazy. I shouldn't waste my ult right there. I was going crazy. I was feeling myself way too much.
Toxins going up.
I was feeling it way too much, boys.
Last player
Damn,
standing.
okay. Okay. Okay, Viper. Okay, Viper. Okay, Viper. I see you, Viper. Okay, Viper.
Phoenix down.
One enemy remaining. Blood.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
You only.
That's my duo.
My ultimate is ready.
Viper, I'm speechless. And I always have something to say.
What the fuck is wrong with this dude, man? Ew. You. Alright, man. Come on, give me some sneaky kills. Oh.
Enemy spotted A. Here.
Launching smoke.
Here.
Gunner.
Man, no.
Our spike's down.
Spike down mid.
Oh my god, Kylie. Who is this Kylie dude, bro? Took my rain and shit. Dude for real took my rain.
Last player
Bro,
standing.
why are you guys tapping that? Just spam him. Okay, Jessica with the tap. Okay, with the tappers. Okay, tappity tap. Tappity tap. I see that.
Found them. Killed my bot.
Ooh.
Turn out.
Caught him black. Oh. Nice try, Jessica.
Last round in the half.
Alright, come on.
If you saved, spend it.
Alright, come on. We gotta win this. Change your name, change your mind.
Don't overthink it. Alarm bot out.
Smoke's down.
Someone's in defender spawn.
Spike down B.
Stim beacon down.
Enemy in defender spawn.
Joke's over. You're dead.
Enemy spotted B.
Shit.
Placing sentry.
Alright.
I got a
They won't
spike
expect this.
kill.
They won't expect this.
You will not kill my allies.
My ultimate is ready.
Damn it.
I'm gonna go in.
Down.
Oh, they know you're on A. They know you're on A.
See ya. Smoke's down.
Area's clear. Turret out. Turret destroyed. Alarm bot down.
One enemy remaining.
Bagged and tagged.
Let's go. Yes,
Switching
sir,
sides.
Yes, sir, yes, sir,
Race into the spike site.
yes, sir. I like what I see. I like what I see. They're definitely gonna come here. So,
Together.
right there.
Launching smoke.
Yep, I hear them right there.
They're B.
Launching smoke.
Careful. Turret destroyed.
Where they at? Where they at? Where they at? Oh, I didn't see Reyna looking towards me. I thought Reyna was looking backwards. Oh man, unlucky.
Phoenix kid.
Okay, Reyna.
They're both on site.
One enemy remaining.
I believe in us.
Spike planted.
Yes, sir, Reyna. Let's get this. Let's get this W already. Make them like just delete the game, baby.
You really expect
Yes,
us
sir.
to work?
10-3, baby. 10-3.
There's nothing
They won the
but
first like
flies.
3. We won the last 13, baby. Oh, that's hard. They win the first 3. We win the last 13. Ooh, hard bars go hard. I'm just gonna risk it for the biscuit, honestly. Vandal it. I'm risking it for the biscuit, man. Risking it, man. Don't even care.
Watch and learn.
Turret out.
Smoke's down.
Not here.
Enemy down.
Oh, definitely hear them.
One enemy remaining.
That's 3. Stim beacon here.
No way! Let me get a quad, bro. We good though. Still on top.
Their sight.
Need equipment.
Please, somebody, please, please, please. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Let's go. Let's get this W already, man. Let's get this dub. We're gonna go to sleep.
Safety's
Go to
off.
sleep. Come on. Got shit to do.
Smoke's down. Molly. Launching smoke.
Damn it, bro. God damn it. God damn it, bro. 11 freaking HP, man. Actually brutal. Actually brutal.
Launching smoke.
Oh, this is brutal. Oh, yeah.
Spike planted.
Get out of my way.
I like that. I like that.
Placing sentry.
One enemy remaining.
80.
Killed them.
On top, on top. Am I still top? Yes, sir. Leaderboard, baby.
Match point.
Finish him off.
Oh man, I didn't really have a good start, but you know, we still back at it. Still, you know, winning it for the team. It's all about that mindset mentality. So you get back from that 1-4, I'm pretty sure 1-4, 1-5 KDA. But I'm back, baby. I'm back. Now I'm gonna go crazy now.
This one begins. Joke's over. You're dead.
Damn it.
Spike
Launching
planted.
smoke. Stim beacon down.
Last player standing.
What? Where? Oh, you wallbanged me. This bitch has him. This bitch has wallbang. He's really wallbanged me. Dude, I look you choke right there. I look you choke. I'm not gonna lie.
Let's
Oh
go.
my God,
I got
come on.
things to do.
Oh my God. Alright. Let me stop playing. Come on, man. We gotta win this. Gotta win this. Change your name, change
You know what to do.
Leave this fucked up place behind, but
Spike down A.
They're dead. Enemy.
oh my God. God, man. Just let me headshot him already. Why did I zoom in? Why did I fucking zoom in, dude? So bad, actually. I'm actually so bad. So bad, man. 13 death is crazy.
Spike planted.
Come on.
One down.
Okay.
One enemy remaining.
Hey.
My ult's ready.
Last player standing.
Nice try. Dang it, dude. Dang it.
Remember to talk to each other out there. If we communicate, we win.
Dang it, dog. Dang it. Dang it. Right there.
Smoke's down. Molly.
Doggy ain't.
Open up the sky!
Dang, dude. Let's go, Jet. Good trade, good trade. Actually, we won that trade because I killed somebody.
You will not kill my
Open up the
allies.
sky. Okay, that's a trade now. Okay, got another trade down.
Wait, chill, Weber. We got this.
30 seconds left.
Enemy spotted C.
Go, fuck.
Last player standing.
Come
Damn, I thought we had.
man. Come on, dude. We needed that, man. There's no way they're gonna
Let's
come
ruin their day.
back. Oh my god, I'm not ready for this. Not ready for this comeback that they're gonna have. Dude, I'm even gonna go play safe now. I'm gonna go Phantom. Oh my god, I got shield too. I'm gonna play Phantom now, so I'm gonna play safe. Ah, fuck that shit. Not no pussy. Not no pussy. Come on, dog. We need this.
Watching here.
I'm gonna delete this game.
Nailed them.
No way. This guy is moving and killing me. He's moving and shooting at me at the same time. How is he doing that? How did he headshot me? Like, look at this omen. The hunt begins. Omen. Shitty ass omen, bro. Someone's real shitty with it. He's even killing me. He's shitty, bro. He's shitty. Hey, yes, sir, I like that.
Spike planted.
3v3. Motherfucking V3, man. Come on, dog. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, Jet. Yes, sir. Oh my god, 2v2, 2v2. God.
One enemy remaining.
Yes, sir. Ooh,
Last player standing.
Ooh, you saw him. You saw him. Yes, sir. Let's go.
GG.
Let's go.
GG's.
GG. Even though I'm not top scoring. Don't rush me. Even though I'm not top scoring. I got a triple double though. That's all that matters. GG.
Defenders win.
Yes, sir.
How foolish of me.
Oh, and boys, yeah, bro, I don't play bad. I don't play bad at all, boys. But this game, I'm just kind of shabby. I was kind of shabby this game, not even gonna lie. Oh, I got MVP. Let's go. But look though, boys. Ooh, okay. Silver 3. Look, bros. Look at this, bro. Even though I'm losing, even though look at the losses, bro. Match MVP. 21. Dude, I'm not shabby, bro. But this game was kind of shabby for me, man. But I got match MVP. That's all that matters. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, man. Oh my god. I can't even talk how late it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, man. I'll see you guys next time, boys. Peace out.